Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Amna and today we are going to talk about the weather.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
So Amna, how are you today?
I am doing great, thank you. How about you, Mike?
I'm very good, thank you. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. The weather is a very interesting topic.
Yes, it is. People talk about weather every day.
That is true. It is a very common topic.
So let me ask you a simple question.
Sure, go ahead.
How is the weather today?
Today, the weather is very nice. It is sunny and warm.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Yes, it is. I like sunny days.
I like sunny days too. They make me happy.
I agree. What about you? Do you know tomorrow's weather?
I think tomorrow will be cloudy.
Oh, really? I hope it does not rain.
Me too. I do not like rain very much.
Mike, what are the different types of weather?
Good question. There are many types.
Can you name some?
Sure, there is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, and windy weather.
Very good. Those are the most common types.
Yes, and sometimes it can be foggy too.
Oh yes, foggy weather is when you cannot see very far.
Exactly. Fog is like a cloud on the ground.
That is a good way to explain it.
Thank you. So what do you like to do on sunny days?
On sunny days, I like to go to the park.
That sounds nice. What do you do there?
I walk around, sometimes I read a book.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is. What about you?
I like to ride my bicycle on sunny days.
Oh, that sounds fun.
It is very fun. Now let's talk about rainy days.
Okay. Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, if I'm at home, I like listening to the rain.
Oh, that is nice. The sound of rain is relaxing.
Yes, but I do not like going outside in the rain.
I agree. You need an umbrella.
Yes, and I always forget my umbrella.
That happens to many people. What about snowy weather? Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow. It is so beautiful.
I agree. Snow makes everything look white and clean.
Yes, when it snows, the world looks magical.
What do you do when it snows?
I like to make a snowman.
A snowman. That is fun.
Yes, I use a carrot for the nose.
Classic snowman.
I like to drink hot chocolate when it snows.
Oh, hot chocolate is perfect for cold days.
Yes, it is very cozy. Now let's talk about seasons.
Good idea. There are 4 seasons.
Spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Yes, some people say autumn instead of fall.
That's right. Fall and autumn are the same.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. The weather is warm and flowers bloom.
That sounds beautiful. My favorite is fall.
Why do you like fall?
I like the colorful leaves, yellow, orange, and red.
That is beautiful too. Okay, now let's learn some English words about weather.
Great idea. This will help our listeners.
The first word is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y.
Sunny means the sun is shining. For example, today is sunny.
Very good. The next word is cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y.
Cloudy means there are many clouds. It is cloudy today.
Notice something interesting. Sunny, cloudy, rainy. They all end in Y.
Oh, that is true. We add y to the noun to make an adjective.
Exactly. Sun becomes sunny. Cloud becomes cloudy.
Rain becomes rainy. Wind becomes windy.
Very good. Now let's learn temperature words.
Okay, the first word is hot. Hot means very warm.
For example, it is very hot today.
The opposite of hot is cold.
Cold means the temperature is low. It is cold outside.
Between hot and cold, we have warm and cool.
Warm is a little hot. Cool is a little cold.
So the order is cold, cool, warm, hot.
Perfect. That is easy to remember.
Now let's learn a useful question.
What is the weather like today?
Or you can say, how is the weather today?
Both are correct.
But do not say, how is the weather like? That is wrong.
Good point. Many learners make that mistake.
Remember, what is the weather like today? Or how is the weather?
Perfect. Now let's learn an expression.
What expression?
It's raining cats and dogs.
That is funny. It means it is raining very heavily.
Yes, not real cats and dogs, just heavy rain.
That is a fun expression to use.
Now I want to ask our listeners a question.
Oh, good idea.
What is the weather like where you live right now?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
You can write something simple like, it is sunny or it is raining.
Try to use the words we learned today.
And if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Well, Amna, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We learned many weather words.
Yes, sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy.
And temperature words. Hot, warm, cool, cold.
And the fun expression, raining cats and dogs.
I hope everyone learned something new today.
Me too. Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye-bye.